তিনি ত্রিপুরা মথানি CWC ni Prakta Adong members Party President Brahmunang Vijay Kumar Uncles Brahmunang Bebar Kumar Jamatia Tayang Sakbaitang CWC ni decision ni Bishintin Osun State Election Commissioner of Malaya কয়েকটা ইস্যু তোমার খুব ভাইটালস খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট ইস্যু উনকা पंचायत इलेक्शन 3 स्टार पंचायत इलेक्शन बा 3 टायर पंचायत इलेक्शन खूब शॉर्ट देंगे बट ड्यू टाइम का जुलाई मास द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अगस्त मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 3 टायर पंचायत इलेक्शन होंगे स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑलरेडी अब प्रिपेयर का फाइनल इलेक्टोरल रूल्स और पब्लिश किया so the election commission is fully prepared to announce the date of the election of 3 tier panchayat. The 3 tier panchayat, gram panchayat, nagar panchayat, jila parishad. All Jorawana simultaneously sini village committee election tabu narok saimano 587 village committee already defunct. Abonek paralyzed honi saimano all development activities village committee election bishintui develop haijanen bage abo constitutional ne kaisa institution gawa gawa chung saimano more than 2 years already passed ka je election khaija gya tongma election khaija ka obonoti daki election khana bage high court point case klega all case are now clear and disposed of okay tabu state government tai kono problem kari ga je village committee election khaina bage nai kasen saimano je normally election commission ni 5 years ni bisingo any election general election mandatory election khaina ni domni parliament election lok sabha kon hundi state legislative election kon hundi every 5 years of mandatory by election go every within the 6 months of the vacant of the concerned seat ba constituency lok sabha or vidhan sabha ni Tetapu sini ADC bo duita constituency tongo kaisa Mandai Pulinpur ADC constituency ta kaisa Golai Chambahar ADC constituency or 2 constituency already 1.5 years elapsed sungthanga ba sungthanga tabu election khaije gya morono kur point sungtini election state election commission thaneo thangai nai sung memorandum kaya submit khlekya o point ro o jaga te kaya tongo je ADC ni election romni village committee election nini tobangma jaga non ADC ni RD block khlaija ko thangene counting rongo jemon Dugli block and there are 3 numbers of ADC village election ni counting go kaborona ADC ni bishingo counting khanen bagene chung tini demand to chung sini memorandum bo abono tongkha narak jaka ekasa point tongo je there are numbers of illegal migrant they have already enrolled their names in the electoral rolls obo tongo nini Komla Sagar bo tongo koma assembly constituency ke recently kaisa local dailies leading local dailies published kya asker project specifically Komla Sagar assembly constituency ni kokno boro published kya abai kama tongo abo hai illegal migrants voter talika ar pore bibhinno nini relevant documents ulo obtain khayo by account khayo abo ke abo national security ni viewpoint of hine black kind of threat Obonomo Sungtini election commission Thaneo place Kleke. Gambagi all illegal migrants, those who have enrolled their names in electoral roll, their names should be deleted from the very electoral roll. Moronga Sini co demand tinini. Gambagi Sung Summit Kleka according to our decision, CWC decision, Tinisung Malaya. Avunbagi Sung go during our discussion with the election commission. But fully assured immediately all maternity take up finai jehetu state ni election ka local body election ka under the control of state government karon bagi state government be kok salaya kuri nai abono daki doctor final bagi borokbo bong opinion no suno saka borok agreed no tamunai nitigoto babe gomoronka tinisini deputation asol kokro ambai